Why are fuel doors on different sides of the car? We've all been there. You borrow or rent a car, pull up to the gas station, confidently swipe your card, only to realize that your gas tank is inconveniently located on the opposite side. It's a common scenario that leaves many wondering why fuel doors are not standardized. After all, your steering wheel is always on the same side, so why isn't your gas tank? In the early days of automotive design, gas tanks were often positioned at the center of the car, with the fuel door in the rear. However, this seemingly innocuous arrangement posed a significant safety risk. Any ordinary accident could potentially transform into a fiery and explosive catastrophe. In response to this safety concern, manufacturers made the strategic decision to relocate the gas tank, placing it either on the right or left side of the vehicle. Welcome to our YouTube channel. We delve into fascinating topics related to automobiles and provide clear explanations on various car-related issues. Our mission is to offer valuable insights and professional tips to help you maintain and understand your vehicle better. Today, we explore an intriguing subject: why are fuel doors on different sides of the car? The case for efficient gas stations. One captivating facet of this debate revolves around the unique dynamics of gas stations and the critical role played by the placement of a car's fuel tank. Imagine a world where all cars were designed with the fuel tank on the same side. It would revolutionize how we interact with gas stations. Consider a country like the United States, where driving occurs on the right side of the road. In such a scenario, making a right turn into a gas station is not only more convenient, but also safer than attempting a left turn across oncoming traffic. Consequently, many drivers naturally opt to enter gas stations by taking a right turn, immediately gravitating towards the pumps on the right side. This setup aligns with their driving habits and ensures a smoother refueling experience. Now, let's envision a scenario where all vehicles are equipped with left-sided fuel tanks. In this situation, cars would naturally congregate around the pumps on the right side, leaving the left side of the gas station largely vacant. Conversely, if all cars had right-sided tanks, the left side of the gas station would be crowded, while the right side remained underutilized. This peculiar imbalance in gas station usage would undoubtedly create a unique challenge, with one side consistently bustling and the other persistently empty. The potential outcome of this scenario is that fuel tank placement could become a pivotal selling point for manufacturers. We might witness marketing slogans like "Beat the line with the new left-sided fuel tank," or "Faster refueling with our right-sided fuel tank." This would introduce an unprecedented factor into the automobile industry, where a car's fuel tank placement could become a key consideration for consumers. However, it's essential to address a common rebuttal to this viewpoint. Critics argue that even if all pumps on one side of the gas station were occupied due to uniform fuel tank placements, cars could simply turn around and utilize pumps on the opposite side once the initial pumps were filled. While this might result in some congestion and minor delays at gas stations, it doesn't seem to be a particularly compelling argument against standardizing fuel tank placements. The case for roadside safety. In the intricate world of automotive design, even seemingly minor details like the placement of a vehicle's fuel tank can have profound implications for safety and functionality. The ongoing debate over whether the fuel tank should be positioned on the passenger's side or the driver's side serves as a prime example of how nuanced design choices can be. Manufacturers often justify their decisions based on safety considerations, and the regions they primarily serve heavily influence these choices. One compelling argument in favor of positioning the fuel tank on the passenger's side relates to enhancing driver safety during roadside incidents. Consider the driving norms in various parts of the world. In predominantly European markets, where vehicles drive on the right side of the road, placing the fuel tank on the left side naturally creates a protective barrier between the driver and oncoming traffic. In essence, if a driver needs to pull over in an emergency or confront a roadside hazard, their vehicle acts as a shield, reducing the risk of direct exposure to oncoming traffic. This strategic placement is believed to contribute to improved safety and a decreased likelihood of roadside incidents. Conversely, in regions such as the United States or Japan, where vehicles drive on the right side of the road, manufacturers tend to position the fuel tank on the right side. The rationale here is similar but caters to the specific road dynamics of these markets. Once again, this design choice aims to create a protective buffer for the driver should they need to pull over or face a hazard on the roadside. By having the vehicle positioned between the driver and traffic, it is believed to enhance safety. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that not all manufacturers strictly adhere to this logic, and the global nature of the automotive industry often complicates matters. Many automakers operate in both right side and left side driving regions, necessitating a more balanced approach to their design choices. These manufacturers may prioritize other factors, such as vehicle balance, ease of production, or standardization across their global lineup, when determining the fuel tank's placement. The case for car design. Yet, for many manufacturers, it appears that the decision varies from car to car. Often, it boils down to the specific design requirements of each vehicle. If a particular model demands more room on the right side, they'll place the fuel tank on the left, and vice versa, since this decision typically isn't a top priority for buyers. Designers have the flexibility to adapt as needed. In summary, it seems that the answer to the debate over fuel tank placement is a resounding "it depends." Safety considerations, design requirements, and individual model characteristics all play a role, and each manufacturer adopts a unique approach to strike the right balance. We appreciate your time spent watching this informative and engaging video. We hope you found value in the content. To stay updated on our latest videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on notifications. Until next time, drive safely and stay informed about your vehicle and its intricate design choices. Catch you in our next video.